A good sleep is important for human productivity. With apps tracking several aspects of our life, there are a range of nifty ones to keep a track of how long you sleep, to improve the rest you get and make sure you get all the benefits of a healthy snooze. Sleep cycle. Keep your phone on your mattress next to you and the app tracks your sleep patterns through movements. It makes sure to give you light nudges in the morning during the lightest period of your sleep. Sleep Better with Runtastic. The app pays a lot of attention to the kind of sleep you get based on your movements. Extra features include a dream diary and a setting where you can inform the app whether you've consumed alcoholic beverages before sleeping and whether you're sleeping at home or somewhere else to monitor the quality of sleep. Sleepbot. It tracks noise and movements to decide the quality of sleep you're getting. It also sets smart alarms based on how long you wish to sleep. Sleep as Android. This app can sync with your smartwatch and be more effective in monitoring sleep. It also plays ambient sounds and has smart alarms where you have to solve a problem to turn it off so you don't oversleep.